Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off the host and laying the adapter on a flat surface. This prevents damage and keeps things steady. Once done, face the adapter label up so you can see the internal notch. You gently insert a fingernail or a non-metal pry tool into the exposed gap and press the small spring or latch inward. This releases tension. Make sure to feel a soft click. That's the mechanism freeing the micro SD. Then transition to withdrawing the card slowly. Now you pinch the micro SD by its short edges, keeping fingers off the gold contacts to prevent oils or static transfer. Once gripped, pull straight out along the adapter's track. Do not twist or angle the card because that can bend the contacts. If the card sits flush and won't catch, press it in gently to let the spring pop it forward a few millimeters, then pull. Make sure to maintain steady pressure and a straight line to avoid scraping the connector. To finish, place the micro SD into a protective case right away so you don't lose it or expose contacts. If you plan to reuse the adapter, inspect the right protect switch and set it to unlock. This ensures future reads and writes. If the card is stuck, try pressing the spring again and use a thin plastic pry tool, not metal, and warm your hands to reduce stiffness. If nothing moves, stop and check for debris or seek a gentle professional extraction to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.